The whales are back in Shiba Inu, okay? Let's talk about that. Let's get into a few metrics. I'm going to share with you guys a little bit what's going on in the chart, give you guys my thoughts and opinions. Also, we're going to look into some ancient Shib wallets. So we got a lot of information coming at you guys today. This is going to be some very exciting stuff. Shiba Inu right now, it's basically flat, a little bit up on the day. We are still in that descending triangle pattern. I'm going to break down a little bit what's going on in the chart because Shib could be turning the corner. I think we're starting to see that common trend with a lot of cryptos that I cover here on the channel. So this is not going to be anything new, but we are going to get into some very interesting metrics and data points. So before we do so, it's very important that you guys are all subscribed to the channel. We talk Shib every single day right here on the platform. Also, if you do hold Shiba Inu, let Shib Army know that you guys are all here. Let YouTube know. Put that SHIB down below in the comments, and let's get down into it, okay? And as always, guys, not financial advice, so always do your own research and due diligence, okay? But like I said, here's these blue lines representing this descending triangle pattern where we're seeing these W's start to form. And you can see this right here. We have started that next leg up, trading above the moving averages, and more so and more notably, right, this is a very good day for Shiba Inu, and this dates back to the 13th where we've been on this uptrend. So whether or not we continue this consolidation, we see a little bit of an uptick. We boost above that 024 level. That's going to be yet to be determined. Nobody has that crystal ball. All we can do is give you the news as we get it. Stay as objective as possible, as real as possible, and stay the course because this is the long game. This is why people are into Shib. You want to know what's going on? Well, let's talk about it, okay? And this is my trading platform, Margex. If you want to get started trading with leverage, use my link down below in the description. Sign up today. You can claim up to $10,000 in bonuses by signing up using my link. That's something very important because a lot of traders have been having a lot of success trading on Margex's platform using leverage, but always be careful and remember, with leverage, there's an increased risk of volatility. So please do your own research and due diligence before getting signed up and make sure that it's right for you. Obviously, no KYC, so that's another big thing for a lot of traders out there. So make sure it is right for you and get started trading with Margex today. Links down below, okay? But this is where we're seeing 1,900 or 1,590% in a key metric as the whales look to dive in and save Shib. This is something where we've seen the large holder inflow brought to you by Into the Block data, where these addresses that belong to large holders have been up almost 1,600% in the last 24 hours. Okay, most notably, we've grown from 728 billion from May 15th to 3.97 trillion Shib on May 16th. That's very, very fascinating. Okay, so what this means for us is, take a look at this. Spikes in larger holder inflows can indicate price bottoms because whale addresses prefer to buy in bulk after significant corrections. That's where we see those big green candles. All right, and I know the price is down. We're down 2.5% over the last 24 hours, and it's been a battle to cross over these moving averages. But if we can get above this resistance, right, we failed on the 15th of May. This is where we look at the chart, and you can see if we cross above, which we've kind of done, but when we did it back on the 15th, we did have that little bit of a correction, and we did come back down, but it's still possible, okay? So let's see what happens when we look at Shib's next price direction, when we look above crossing above that 50-day moving average barrier, okay? And that might be where the 1,590% surge in whale inflows plays a key role, okay? Also, we've seen a whale. We've talked about the whales. This is something where we've seen whales taking profits. That also could be indicated in what we're seeing here in this sell-off, this red band right here where we went down from 25 to about 24.8, okay? That's enough to move it, simply put, okay? But what they did was they took a 200% profit within the likes of a $3.2 million dollar amount over the time period of 2.6 years, all right? Initially entering when the market was booming in October 2021. That's where we saw 199 billion Shib at an estimated cost of $1.6 million. And there we go, like I put it, taking a $3.2 million profit. So we all know how that basically surged back here. You can see this big blue spike. And then since then, we've gotten even kind of more of a reason to talk about it because all things considered, where Bitcoin's price is right now, having this sideways lull going from April 2022 to basically the likes of February of 2024, we have seen Shib absolutely explode from that time period and since sold off a little bit. But hey, it's kind of what's going on. There's a lot of turbulence in the market. We've seen whales kind of strategically moving and navigating these waters. And like I said, somebody's made $3.2 million. So there are a lot of returns to be had in SHIB. This is just a very clear indicator within this ancient whale wallet. Buying buying all of this SHIB back in 2021, holding throughout all the turbulence, and then now selling for a $3.2 million profit. That's great stuff. That's what we want to see in crypto. That volume is incredible, and this whale, most notably and likely, will be entering the fold once more. When whales sell, they take profits, they wait for dips, and they get back in. That's what goes down. That's what smart money does, and that's how money is made in crypto. So I wanted to share with you guys all this stuff. Hope you found some value from this video. Remember to subscribe on your way out. We do talk SHIB every single day on the channel. Also, remember to check out the links down below. Get started with Margex today. Links down below. Appreciate you guys. Have a great rest of your weekend, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.